Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to open snipping tool using your print screen button from your keyboard. So when you want to open the snipping tool, you can use these two methods. First you will use the shortcut key, Windows key button, Shift key button, and then press S from your keyboard. It will quickly launch the snipping tool. So this is the first method, and second method is this guys. Press Windows key button and here search snipping tool, and this is the second method to open the snipping tool. But you can use the print screen button to open the snipping tool. So first you need to launch the snipping tool on your PC like this, and here you can get three dots option. Just open it and go to settings. Okay, in these settings guys, here you can get the option use the print screen key to open this snipping tool. Just click on change in Windows settings. It will open the Windows settings on your PC. As you can see guys, scroll down slightly, here you can get the option use the print screen button to open the screen snipping. Just you need to enable this option. That's it. Now close your settings, close your snipping tool settings, and when you press the print screen button from your keyboard, it will quickly launch the snipping tool on your screen, as you can see guys. So this is the easy and simple method. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.